tussle between the farmers and the center. It would go long because center is not ready to roll back its bills, which the farmers will never accept. And farmers of Punjab and Haryana, particularly Punjab, they are quite determined that they are not going to sit until something conclusive happened. Farmers of Punjab, they have been protesting for the last around 6 months, and these protests, they have got intensified for the past 2 months when the ordinances which were brought in the month of June were given the form of the bill in the parliament. So now for the last 2 months, they have been sitting on the roads, they have been sitting on the railway tracks. And in the month of October, say around mid-October, there was a meeting of the farmers with the government, and then they had decided that they will lift rail blockade from 20th of October. They lifted, but then the trains, they were run for only 2 days, and the Indian Railway, they said that still the farmers, they have blocked rail traffic at several places, due to which the Indian Railway, they stopped running the trains again. And now we can say that for exactly for 2 months there were all the trains, they were suspended in Punjab, and in between the government had offered farmers to have talks with them, but both the talks they remained inconclusive. So now currently the farmers of Punjab, they have lifted their dharnas from the railway tracks, barring one organization which is still sitting on one main track, which is coming from Delhi to Amritsar. So only now the single rail blockade is left. Otherwise, the protests, they are still continue, but the rail blockade is only at one place now. Earlier, they were targeting both center as well as the state government. No doubt that the state government has always been in favor of the Punjab farmers. They were taking Punjab farmers side, but still to be more on the side of the Punjab farmers, Punjab government went ahead even passing their own legislations. They passed their own 3 bills, and these 3 bills were only to reject the center's bill, central government's agriculture bill. But the farmers of Punjab, they are preparing for Delhi Chalo, which is starting from November 26th. They are saying if the Punjab government has passed bill, they are happy with that. But and they are saying that these will not help them in long run, in the sense because the Punjab bills can become formal bill only when the President of India will sign these, and this seems to be unlikely in near future. And ultimately what would happen that the government has to approach the judiciary, and it may take long time. So they know that the Punjab bills only good for political statement and only good to show the solidarity with them, but they will not help them. As far as number is concerned, they are saying the number would be in lakhs. There are 30 farmer organizations in Punjab, and every farmer organization saying that minimum they are 10 to 15,000 or even 20,000 workers of their own individual organizations will participate. And if by going by that calculation, the number could be or would be around 3 lakhs. But they are saying that it would be somewhere between 1.5 lakh to 3 lakh, and around 25 to 30% would be the women, folk and the children in this protest. Central government had offered to have meetings with the farmers, and they held 2 meetings. In the first meeting, farmers, the representatives of the farmer organizations, they walked out, and they were saying that there was no senior minister, or they wanted to have talks rather with the Union Minister of Agriculture, Narendra Singh Tomar. So they said that they will not talk anyone else, but only with the minister. And in the second meeting, which was attended by Union Minister, Mr. Tomar, there also the Tomar after the meeting, or the farmers after the meeting, they were not satisfied. Tomar after the meeting, he said that there is a huge gap between the demands by the farmers as well as the stand of the government. So he had already indicated his intention that the central government is not going to roll back their bills, 3 bills, which the farmers are demanding. And at the same time, farmers are saying if the government wants to continue with these 3 bills, then the MSP, minimum supports price, should be made a legal entity. Though the MSP has never ever been has any legal status, but earlier there was no such thing. There was no doubt about it that the center would not procure at least wheat and paddy on MSP. But after coming of these bills, the farmers, they are now doubtful that the center would run away from procuring these 2 crops, which are the main crops in the Punjab government. 30 to 32 million ton wheat and paddy is produced here, and it is majority of it is for the center pool only. So after coming of these bills, now there is a doubt in the minds of the farmers, and now they want a legal status for the MSP.